Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've been shopping on eBay. And yes, I have bought a lot of American Girl doll stuff, but that's because I'm kind of down that rabbit hole again and loving it. And God, I just can't stop because the deals are so good. I mean, they're so good, and it's stuff I'd really like to have. Oh, look at this. Christmassy, which is very, oh, I need that box. I got some dolls I'm working, when I buy my American Girl dolls pre-loved, and when I wash them and scrub their hair up, a lot of times I take them apart and disinfect all the stuffing, and I use a box to do that. All right, I wanted to, well, they really crammed it in here. I have others of this. This is not my first one. Darren and I met when we were sled dog racers. You cannot push a rope. We were not cruel to our animals. Dogs love to run. Oh, God, that's cool. This is in better shape than I thought. The harness and everything, look how it's looped through. Oh, my God, that's so cute. I want to set up a sled dog racing scene up on top of my studio cabinet or shelves. And I'm going to need 2 or 3 girls up there with their dogs. Oh my God, that is so cute. I'm glad I got it. All right, let's see what else I bought. This I bought after Halloween, knowing that it would not get here in time. But I store this stuff, and I can't tell you, sometimes I use it through the year. I got a good deal on this. The seller takes offers. If you know me, that's my thing. Let's see, is this going to be resealable? Because, boy, I don't think so. That's pretty nailed down. Let's cut it up here carefully because I will store this. I store my fabrics in plastic bags and then down in a storage tub. Isn't that cute? It's a little big. Barbie could not wear this, but Blythe could because she's so whimsical. And my bigger dolls can. My big Amaya Rains and Poopsie Surprise and bigger Barbies, they can all wear that. So that's really cute. And then I got this for a specific doll. Yeah, I've been having fun on eBay. And I'm set up now on Darren's charge card rather than my paper. And so I save money.
Yeah, that's how that works.
I bought this. As you can tell, it is I think this was the same seller. I'm not positive. Let me pull this out and cut this very carefully. I'm not going to pull it all the way out because it's really nice in there. I have a small porcelain doll that I want to make. What is the name of it? Nevermore
Academy?
Yeah. And I want to make an outfit out of this for a smaller porcelain doll. And finding this print this tight, this narrow, was not easy. But I was thrilled to find it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.